question number 191. Consider the following features. First, complete digestive system. Second, presence of circulatory system. And third, absence of respiratory system. Okay. Now, first, Asclepiades. In case of Asclepiades, complete digestive system is present, but circulatory system is absent. So, first option is eliminated. Now, second, in case of Arthropoda, both circulatory and respiratory systems are present. So, second option is again incorrect. Third, Platyhelminthes. In case of Platyhelminthes, digestive system is incomplete. So, third option is also eliminated. Last option, Annelida have complete digestive system, presence of circulatory system and absence of respiratory system. Answer is the fourth one, that is Annelida. Let's move to question number 192. All of the following features are present in all members of class A's. Present in all members of class A's except first, feather. Yes, feathers are present in all aves. Second, pulmonary respiration is again present in all aves. Third, oil glands at the base of tail. Oil glands are present at the base of tails, but in case of flightless bird, oil glands are absent. So, this is not the feature which present in all aves. So, this is your correct answer. Fourth one, four-chambered heart. Yes, four-chambered heart is also present in all aves. Let's move to question number 193. Select the incorrect statement. Okay. Closed circulatory system first originated in member of phylum Annelida. Correct statement. Second, sponges possess a gastrovascular cavity. No. Sponges belongs to phylum Porifera, and in case of Porifera, gastrovascular cavity is not present. Spongocele is present as a cavity. Gastrovascular cavity is present in case of Coelenterata. So, incorrect statement. Third, flame cells are the main excretory structure in Platyhelminthes. Correct statement. Last, Ascarisis is a pseudocoelomate. Yes, because it belongs to phylum Asclepiades. Clear? So, option number 1, 3 and 4 is eliminated and second is your answer. Let's move to question number 194. Assertion: animals of phylum Echinodermata are commonly known as spiny bodied animal. Yes, it is the characteristic feature of Echinodermata. So, assertion is true. Second, reason: these animals have an exoskeleton of calcareous ossicles. No, endoskeleton. So, reason is incorrect. In the light of the above statements, select the correct option. A is true but R is false. Yes, third option is correct one. Let's move to question number 195. Due to presence of which of the following structures, Hemichordata was earlier considered as a subphylum under phylum Chordata? Okay. Hemichordata and here Chordata. In case of Chordata, notochord is present, and in case of Hemichordata, stomochord is present. Stomochord is similar to notochord, but their origin is different because stomochord origin is ectodermal, while notochord origin is mesodermal. So, option number third, stomochord is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 196. The group of animals which belongs to the same phylum is, okay. First, tapeworm, pinworm. Tapeworm belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes, while pinworm belongs to Escalamenthes. So incorrect one. Next, sea anemone, Coelenterata, sea hare, mollusca, again incorrect one. Third, starfish, Echinodermata, flying fish, Chordata, again incorrect one. Last option is cuttlefish, devilfish, sea hare, all are mollusca. So the correct answer is fourth one, that is cuttlefish, devilfish and sea hare. Let's move to question number 197. All member of kingdom Animalia exhibit first multicellularity, yes, it is the characteristic feature of kingdom Animalia. Next, organ level of organization, no. Organ level of organization is seen only in case of Platyhelminthes, while other phylum shows, some shows tissue level of organization and some shows organ system level of organization. So this option is incorrect one. Second, tube within tube body plan, no, because in some cases incomplete digestive system present, while some cases complete digestive system is present. Third, division of liver, yes. Next, segmentation, again incorrect one, because some phylum shows metameric segmentation, some do not. Next, presence of mesoderm, again incorrect one, because initial phylum do not show mesoderm. Clear? Select the option representing correct features A and D. A and D means first option is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 198. The property of a living organism to emit light is well marked in. Okay, emit light means bioluminescence. And bioluminescence is the characteristic feature of ctenophores. Option number third, straightforward, fact based. Let's move to question number 199. All living members of the class P have circular mouth without jaws and are ectoparasites on some fishes. Circular mouth without jaws and are ectoparasite on some fishes. Select the incorrect features of class P. Circular mouth without jaw is the characteristic feature of cyclostomata, because they are agnatha. Right. Now first, presence of unpaired fin, correct statement. Cartilaginous cranium, yes. Notochord is replaced by bony vertebral column, no. In case of agnatha or cyclostomata, notochord is not replaced by bony vertebral column. So incorrect statement. Last, 6 to 15 pair of gill slits, correct statement. So first, second and fourth options are correct, but we need incorrect statement. So first, second and fourth are incorrect according to question, and third will be your answer. Let's move to question number 200. In which of the following animals limbs are present? Limbs are present. First, Bangros means snake, and we all know that in case of snakes, limbs are absent. Limbs absent. Second, Hemidactylus, wall lizard, and in case of wall lizard, 2 pair of limbs present. Third, Cutopleura, mollusca, and in case of mollusca, limbs absent. Last, ichthyofish, amphibia, or we can say it as limbless amphibia. They are again limbless. So the correct answer of this question is the second one, and remaining 3 will be eliminated. Clear? So students, now we end up this session. We will meet in next discussion session. Till then, take care, goodbye and best of luck.